Most people prompt AI like they're texting a friend. If your AI keeps generating weak Python code, wage prompts are usually the reason. Today I'll show you the exact 4-part framework I use to generate production-ready data cleaning script consistently. Okay, now I will tell you why most prompts fail. And the reason are most prompts fail because they lack role definition. Like you don't define the LLM its role. You are the expert of certain domain, and then you fail at context giving. Apart from that, you fail a task precision. You have to stick with the task, and the constants that you are telling it should be accurate as well. It's very important to keep in mind, build tension before introducing the framework. Okay, so 4-part prompts formula, here's it. Part 1 is you define the role. You tell it to act as a senior data engineer or whatever niche you're typing it to, and you explain the context. AI performs better when assigned expertise and responsibilities to it. When you make it sure that it knows its expertise and it goes specific into one niche, so it generates very precise output according to that. Part 2 is context. You have to give it the LLM the context of your entire thing. Context dramatically improves reasoning quality because now the LLM knows, the AI knows what problem we are facing. So it has the role, it has the context. Now it knows how to analyze things and how to proceed forward. And part 3 is the task. So you, for example, you give it a Python script or whatever task. So it has very specific tasks. It creates a demonstrative output for that because it has role now in it, the context, and a specific task. It is far more greater to generate an accurate output regarding your problem. And part 4 is constants. You actually tell the LLM after all these assigning tasks like role, context, task, specific tasks, you give it the construct like what it has to keep avoiding, so it knows the entire picture in it. So after giving these 4 parts, you have completed the entire prompt structure. Now the output you are getting would be far more greater. So prompt engineering isn't about magic phrases. It's about structured thinking. Copy the framework below and adopt it to your own framework. Tomorrow I will show you how I chain multiple AI systems together for end-to-end automation.